Okay, so today we're gonna start with the lentils. Lentils is a side dish in the Seychelles cuisine that, almost every household is using it on a daily basis. Number one, it's very healthy, very delicious, but most of the time it's plain lentils. Today, however, we're gonna do it with the salted sausages. This is also from the Seychelles, salted sausages. Very delicious. So we start by washing the lentils. You gotta get rid of all the debris because there could be quite a lot. Give it a good wash several times. So in goes 1 onion sliced. We will start cooking the salted pork sausages, to be more precise, to add into the lentils after it's done. You bring it to a boil, the sausages, not too long, because you don't want to get rid of all the taste, the spices in it. So you want to keep the flavors. So about 10 minutes, because after that, you're gonna cut it up and it goes into the lentils. A little bit olive oil, lemon juice, and it's ready. So, olive oil, chili. There we go. Done. And we put fresh chili. Oh, the smell, the flavors, stunning, amazing. Now we're ready with this. Of course, the sausages. Pour the water out. Add some cold water to cool it down a little bit. Wait till it's cooled down, and then into the lentils it will go. Cut it into pieces. And in it goes into the lentils. We let it cook a little bit more just to bring out the flavors from the lentils, from the sausages. Meanwhile, we add a little bit of parsley and thyme. Salt, quite a generous amount because lentils is pretty tasteless without salt. So you need to season it really, really well. Quite a generous amount. It all depends on the amount you're making. A little bit of pepper. Another 2 or 3 more minutes like this. And it's ready to be served as a side dish with any other dishes. Grilled fish, shark chutney, anything else. It's always served as a side dish. At the end, just when the dish is finished, you add a little bit of extra garlic and ginger so that it's not thoroughly cooked. So you could actually taste it while you're eating. This trick was taught to me by my auntie's mother. Normally then you put the lid on top to cover, and then the flavor of the garlic and the ginger comes out. That's a trick from the grandparents.